Hello my angels, my dears, this is Angel and welcome to my channel and to another video. For the last dish of the month, which is my rice dishes month, I have Arroz con Pollo, and this recipe comes from my culinary school textbook from the Caribbean section, and the textbook's name is International Cuisine. The cuisine for this recipe, Arroz con Pollo, chicken with rice, is Puerto Rican. Well, I'll let you get back to the video. I hope you enjoy, and I'll talk to you later. The salt is a combination of sea salt and seasoned salt. My angels, my dears, if the background of this video looks a little differently from the rest of my videos, it's because I'm filming in the house of another YouTuber, Janet from Level Up with Janet E. Go to her channel for motivational and spiritual inspiration. I'll leave a link to her channel in my description box. And I'll also have other channels that I recommend to you. Go to the end of my description box and there you'll find them. When you visit them, let them know I sent you. All right, back to the video. Following the recipe to a T, I didn't rinse the rice as I suggested in my ingredient list, but I would suggest that you do so in order to get a firmer rice. And you can also, after rinsing it twice, also use less of the chicken stock, and you'll also get a nice firm rice. As you'll see at the end of this video, the rice is a little overdone. All right, I'll let you get back to the video. Look at how beautiful this all looks. Did it taste as good as it looks? Yes, it did. I hope you plan to try this recipe on your own. If you do, let me know in the comments. you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video, give me a like, that's a thumbs up. Share this video on any media platform. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. What are you waiting for? And leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this recipe. If you're one of my subscribers, I thank you so much, my angel, my dear. Come back next month, the month of May, where all of my dishes will be seafood themed. And as always in parting, I wish you many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And please be the blessing.